Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the HR tag. No, it's not a stand for human resource. So think about a situation you want to divide up the lines. So what I'm gonna do first is remove all of that, and then what I'm gonna do, type HTML, only HTML, nothing else. Yeah, I will put inside a h1 tag though. So HTML and some paragraph, something like lorem. That would be a great example of it. So after that, you want to use the CSS tag, CSS about CSS. So h1 CSS, and you write paragraph tag, and you again type lorem. So this is the way you can do this, and you see that there is no divider. So how are we gonna divide that? So use the HR tag, no closing tag, just do that, and you will divide up into two. So this is the way you can use this, and the great thing about this is no matter how much big of a screen that is, it will be go on its own. And not only that, you can't select that. This line is unselectable, so this is what it does. So I hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.